I know. I see him.
Where?
Let's see it. I see it. I found it. Hey, come on. I found it where I see it. I found it here. I found it here. I found it. Right there. I found it there.
¿Y qué opinas de este?
Ese es para armar una maquilla aquí. Ese es para... Entonces dejamos este y compramos este.
Pero en otro momento. Hoy lo vimos. Si no conseguimos un juguete mejor, lo venimos a buscar, ¿ok?
Y yo no quiero los otros juguetes.
Pero dímelo en inglés. What?
This is the almond. And to the almond. And what about this? You can put this in the here. And what about that?
¿Y en inglés qué tiene ese?
Yeah, this is the almond. You can put here. And you can do that one. You can do that. And I can do it too.
Así que estaba
Look,
comprando
Dad,
mi chaval.
Dad, look. Dad, look, Dad. You push it
Oh
out.
my God. You like it?
Yeah,
Why?
because you can go through the island with that piece.
Is it the new Iron Man?
Yeah. See,
Oh my
this
goodness.
is his friend. This is his friend. This is the Narayan because this is his the Narayan. This is his friend.
Why do you like it that?
Because I can construe this and I can construe that. You push the piece there, this piece there. The hen. What is wrong about the hen?
I don't know.
This is the hen. This is the push there. And you can push this and it fits. And you push the helmet here. You push this here. And you push this over there. You push first that and another that. And you push the arm over there. And push another that there. That's the control like that.
Do you know how much is this?
Yeah.
How much? The numbers. Look at the numbers. The numbers here. The label. What is the number?
9.
Yeah.
9.
The first
5.
5 and 99.
Yeah.
For win.